Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add new people on OnlyFans. So let's get started. To add new people on OnlyFans, you first need to log into your account. Once you are in, use the search bar at the top of the homepage to type in the username or name of the person you want to follow. If they have a public profile or a link available, it will appear in the search results. Just click on their profile and then hit the subscribe button. If someone shared their OnlyFans link with you directly, like through social media or a website, you can simply click that link. It will take you straight to their profile and you can follow or subscribe from there. Make sure your account is active and has payment info added if their content is paid. Also, you can explore new people by checking the suggested profiles on your homepage. And that's it. Now you know how to add new people on OnlyFans. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.